Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download Wells Fargo application on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever type of device you're using, and then simply search for Wells Fargo. Once you've done that, there you go, there it is. All you need to do is simply tap on it and click on download. And once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and take a little bit as it's going to go ahead and download it. And once it's downloaded, then you can simply go ahead and click on this open button. And as you can see, it asks you if you would like to if you would like to get notifications. I would just allow it for now, not the location. And there you go. You've just successfully downloaded and installed Wells Fargo. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.